सुरभि बेटा ईडी मैडम ज्वाइन हुई क्या?
सर अभी नहीं आई।
एक मिनट बस मैं बात कर ले रहा हूँ।
So we will start within 5 minutes. AD ma'am is joining. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
हाँ एक डॉक्टर उसी दिन दिख रहा होगा ऊपर, उसको भी होस्ट बना देना।
मैम बना दिया मैंने।
नहीं वो मेरे मोबाइल से है।
ओके ओके ओके।
और ये लैपटॉप से।
सुरभि बेटा
यस सर।
बस 5 मिनट में ईडी मैडम ज्वाइन हो रही है ना?
Our respected director sir has also joined the conference. We welcome you sir. Our speaker, Dr. Subhakan Das, sir, has also joined us. We welcome you, sir, to this conference.
Meeting. विकी
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट बेटे स्टार्ट करें अपन बस मैडम कोई ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे अभी
Okay, sir. We are starting, sir.
Good morning to all. A very all beautiful and wonderful morning. This is your host, Shobhit, Assistant Professor, SIRT Community.
And I, Vicky Anthony, Assistant Professor, SIRT Community.
It gives me a great pleasure to extend to you a very warm welcome on behalf of Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. A very warm welcome on behalf of SIRT, who has clubbed all of us for the international conference on transforming challenges into opportunities post-Covid-19 era. Now, I welcome Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Ranjit Singh, sir, Guest of Honor, Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, sir, respected Executive Director, Ma'am, Ms. Shivani Agrawal, Madam, respected Director, Dr. Chancellor, respected Vice Principal, Dr. R.B. Goswami, sir, all the faculties from various institutes, and all my dear participants. It's our holy tradition to worship our goddess Saraswati before any important event. So, let's dedicate a prayer to Ma Saraswati along with lamp lighting. we welcome ma'am to this international conference.
Thank you so much, Sagar.
I feel privileged to have such a distinguished dignitaries among us for international conference. With this, I would like to request Director Sir to present a floral welcome to respected Chief Guest, Professor Ranjit Singh Sir. Now, I would like to request Director Sir to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu Sir. I would like to request Director Sir to invite our speaker, Dr. Ashish Baldi Sir. I would like to request Director Sir to welcome our another eminent speaker, Dr. Subhakan Das Sir. Now I would like to request Vice Principal Sir to welcome Executive Director, Ms. Shivani Agrawal ma'am. Over to you, Vicky sir.
Now, I would like to introduce you all with the SAGE group. Now, I would like to introduce you all with the SAGE group. The SAGE group is a leading business group of Central India. Its presence exists in the area of real estate, education, electrical infrastructure, and industry, a synonym of trust and equality. The group counts as the best business house of Bhopal, which has a history of integrity, innovation, and addressing the needs of today's times for striving transformation in the lives of the customers across the nation. With an abundance of the awards and recognition, the SAGE group is devoted to surveilling supervillains. Now, before proceeding, I would like to play a short documentary about the SAGE group. As we move forward, I would like to highlight the aims and objectives of this conference entitled Transforming Challenges into Opportunities Post-COVID-19 Era. As we know that this pandemic significantly disrupted the higher education sector as well as industrial sector, which is a critical determinant of a country's economy as well as healthcare future. With the conduction of this conference, we will come to know how to transform these challenges and obstacles hindering our way into opportunities to shape our future. In this time of crisis, various effective measures must be taken to pave the way towards the development of society in terms of healthcare, development, employment, productivity, and well-being in the decades to come, and to ensure overall progress of our world. Now, on behalf of SIRT Pharmacy, I would like to request our respected Director Sir, the pillar of SIRT Pharmacy, to please highlight about the program. Sir, please, Director Sir. I think so, Suren sir is not able to join us. So now I would like to request our respected Vice Principal Sir, Dr. R.B. Goswami sir, to please highlight about the conference. Goswami sir, please.
Okay. Good morning, one and all present here. Honorable President of the inaugural function of and ED, the SAGE Group, Mr. Shivani Agrawal, Madam. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Ranjit Singh, Sir, Pro Vice Chancellor, Shobhit University. Honorable Guest of Honor, Professor Neeraj Upmanyu, Sir, Member of Central Council, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi, and Principal of Bhopal University, Pharmacy, Bhopal. Fellow academicians and dear participants of the international conference on the very relevant and live topic, transforming challenges into the opportunity. On behalf of the SAGE family, I, Dr. R.B. Goswami, welcome you all the inaugural function. I extend a warm welcome to you all and wish the program is successful in achieving all its desired goals. The SAGE Group has been the instrumental in the creating a new milestone in the field of the academia as well as in research. The challenges time the exhibit by our previous successful program like the webinars, SAGE Talks, FDP, and training program. As an NB accredited institution, we have been laying down the path for the others to follow and provide an excellent opportunity for the all academia and research fraternity to come together and share these ideas and a common platform. So we are organizing this international conference. I would like to request all the delegates to attend all the lecture and take the benefit to maximize the opportunity. And once again, I wish the program a hope, successful and huge success, and welcome you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sir, for briefing our participants about the institution, the SAGE Group, and also about the program. Once again, thank you, sir. And now, over to Shobhit.
Now I would like to invite our young and dynamic personality of the SAGE Group, respected Executive Director, ma'am, to grace us with her golden words. Ma'am, please.
A very good morning to one and all present here. It is really a nice day, and I really want to welcome our chief guest, Professor Ranjit Singh, our guest of honor, Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu.
Thank you.
And I really commend the work of our coordinators, Dr. Ruchi Jain, Ms. Surbi Jain, and Mr. Vicky, Anthony for all their efforts that they have put into arranging this conference. And we really miss Dr. Surendra Jain. He is not well. He called me in the morning. He was regretting for his bad health, and we hope he gets well soon. He gets well soon, and also. Dr. Goswami, I really commend all of your work and all of your efforts to put together this conference, because of course it's a very upcoming and it's a very required topic to transform our challenges into opportunities, because without that we actually can never succeed in life. Being in Sage Group, we did, like all of you know, how we transformed our challenges into opportunities. Like we started with Sage Talks, we did summer school. We approximately till now, to the people who don't know, I think most of the audience here would know that how successfully we have been having and conducting Sage Talks. And during the lockdown period until now, we have conducted more than 800 Sage Talks in just like 2-3 months. And also we have been conducting summer schools. All of your efforts have been successful in launching new schools, engaging more people, helping our students, helping students outside of Sage Group, not only students, for each and everyone. Like we conducted classes not only of educational topics but also for cooking, or from cooking till AI. We have conducted all fortes of summer schools, and we have engaged, I don't know, more than like in thousands we have engaged students. I'm really glad that being a Sagian, we get so many opportunities, we get so many challenges to actually prove ourselves, to prove what we are and what we can be. So this is the main crux of success. It is, everyone does things, like all of us have our own challenges, but people who become successful are the people who do things differently. We have all heard that great people don't do different things, they do things differently. So there's just a very little bit of difference that we need to understand, that we need to adopt in order to be successful. So most of you here would be students or teachers, and student teacher relationship is a very important one. All of us have been students at one point of time in our life, and we know the challenges of being a student. And right now, the students who are here, I would like to tell you that this challenge of COVID-19 that you are facing, that we all are facing, is one which is the opportunity that many, like very few of us get to overcome. And this has proven us how nicely we can overcome our challenges, and how nicely, like it has made us understand that life goes on no matter what, and this time shall pass. So we have to always be very determined, we always have to be very forthcoming, and we always have to look forward, we always have to plan for the future and act in the present. So with that, I would just want all of you to be very serious about what opportunities and how we can utilize those opportunities to become successful, to do something new, to innovate something, to be creative, and to develop something which will be of use to us, to our peers, and to general society all over the world. Because that is what it is all about. That is what will make us successful. That is what will make us reach to the place where everyone looks up to us. So I am really thankful to all the participants, all the 101 participants. So that is a great number, 101. So all of you join, and I'm sure it will be, our speakers would do a great job in making us understand about this opportunity, a great learning opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the delightful words. I again want to thank you for all the support and concern which you provide to us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I may be permitted to give a brief introduction of our guest of honor, Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, sir, about his accomplishment, academics, attainment in pharmaceutical field. Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, Principal and Professor, School of Pharmacy and Research, People's University, Bhopal. Sir has completed his graduation, post-graduation, and PhD from HSCOR University, Sagar. Sir has holding teaching experience of more than 20 years. Sir is also the member of Central Council in Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. Sir is nominated member in Education Regulation Committee, Professional Pharmacy and Public Relation Committee, and Law Committee in Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. Sir is nominated member in Foreign Equivalence Committee in Pharmacy Council of India. Sir has also served as one of the member of committee to draft UG syllabus by Pharmacy Council of India. Sir is awarded by travel grant from ICMR in 2012 for attending various international conferences at Amsterdam. Sir has chaired scientific session in international conferences. Sir has around 80 publications in various reputed national and international journals and also published various book chapters. Sir is also having various patents. Sir is also the member of editorial board in various reputed and eminent journals. With this, I again want to request Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, sir, the guest of honor, for sharing their thought and blessings to all. So please welcome, sir.
Thank you, Survi. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Very good morning and greetings from Pharmacy Council of India. I would like to thank participants and respected chairman of this Sagar group, respected Ranjit Agrawal sir, Vice Chairman Dr. Prashant Jain sir, Executive Director of Sagar Group, Ms. Shivani Agrawal Madam, respected Principal of SIRT Pharmacy, Dr. Surenjan sir, respected Vice Principal, Dr. Goswami sir, Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Ranjit Singh sir, Pro Vice Chancellor, Shobhit University, all the respected faculty members, organizing committee members, Survi Madam, Ruchi Madam, Make sir, and all other members. I am really grateful that you provided me an opportunity to be here and share my thoughts for this international seminar, Transforming Challenges into Opportunity Post-Covid-19 Era. Well, as we know that we are going through a turbulence of post-Covid-19. So it's very important that we have to be very patient, we have to be very focused, and we have to be very stringent in our work. Frankly speaking, this is the time which is always testing us. If we go into the past also, if we talk about our goddess also, we talk about our Ram Bhagwan also, he has to also go through the challenges of 14-year Banvas. So this is a time where we have to be very focused, and these are the real challenges with all of us, not across India, but across world. So it is the time that we have to accept the challenges and convert into opportunities. I would like to mention here that if really we want to transform our challenges into opportunity, the first important thing is you have a good vision, because without vision, you cannot move ahead. And if you are really have the vision, then you should have the strategy and planning. And when you execute your planning, you require a very good team. And for that team, you require a good execution, and ultimately it will go to an evaluation part. So it is very important that how you take up these challenges and transform into opportunities. As I already told some of that this is the time where you have to learn, unlearn, and again relearn. It is a very important and crucial time. And my dear colleagues, my dear students, this is the time where we should be never hopeless. We have to be very positive. We have to really find out ourselves what best we can do in this particular time. And frankly speaking, yesterday I was listening to our Honorable Prime Minister of India. He also accepted, and he was addressing somewhere across an international platform, and he also told that India pharmaceutical company is going to lead across the world, and he and all the nation is proud of our Indian pharmaceutical industry. So I am also proud myself that I am a pharmacist. I belong to a fraternity which is going to lead, which is already leading, and which is going to lead across the world in this pharmaceutical sector. What we have to do, we have to be very focused. We have to implement our skill sets and go through. Very important. And I assure you, the Pharmacy Council of India is always with you. We are already executed and implemented syllabus across India in UG curriculum as well as postgraduate curriculum. And this is really benefit for all of us, because whatever feedbacks we are getting, that this is really good for all of us, that uniform syllabus is there and the students are studying this uniform syllabus. So this is an easiness for us. And I request all the students kindly use Swayam platform, NAPTEL platform, and all other platforms which are provided by Government of India. Advisory is also recommended by Pharmacy Council of India, University Grants Commission, and all other statutory body. We have to follow that. And those who are in the research arena, we have to think out of box. If we really think out of box, then we can serve our society as well as our nation. So we have to come with a positivity. Yesterday I was reading somewhere and I found a very good quote that was yatha yatha hi purusha kalyane kurte mana tatha tathast sarvatha siddhyante natra sanshaya. It means to say that there is no doubt about, as a man involves himself in virtual deeds and works for the welfare of others, he succeeded in whatever he aims for. So our aims and objectives should be very clear. And I hope that the respected speakers of this particular international seminar, my senior Ashish Baldi sir, Anupama, and Shubhakanto Das sir, and all other speakers, definitely they are going to enlighten how you have to take these challenges into opportunities, what best practices you can implement, and how you can do the innovative works. Here I would also like to mention that my dear teachers, don't worry. Technology is never going to replace you. Just you have to focus what work you are doing. Our honorable presidents are always say, nothing has been changed. The change is only the transparency. The teacher is more transparent. His or her contents are more transparent. So you have to focus on quality. And I would like to congratulate Sagar Institute of Pharmacy, Research and Technology Pharmacy for organizing and picking this wonderful topic. I congratulate all the team members, and I hope our Dr. Surenjan sir, who is my elder and always show me the best path in pharmacy profession, he will get well soon. I hope and pray to God. And once again, I thank you, Sagar Group, for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you so much. Over to you, Surbhi.
Sir, for your words of wisdom. It will be a great pleasure for us to listen to you again in our upcoming future events. Thank you once again, sir. Over to you, Vicky, sir.
Thank you so much, Neeraj sir, for sharing your thoughts with us. And thank you, Shobhit ma'am, for inviting me. Now, I take the honor to introduce before you all and welcome our chief guest for today, Professor Ranjit Singh, sir. Now, sir, you hardly need any introduction. Your distinguished work in numerous capacities has made all of us proud. Professor Ranjit Singh, sir, is the Pro Vice Chancellor at Shobhit University. He studied at HS Gaur Vishwavidyalaya, Sagar, MP, where he received B.Pharm and M.Pharm and PhD degrees in pharmaceutical sciences between 1989 and 1997. Ranjit sir has contributed immensely in the field of novel drug delivery systems, herbal formulations, and standardization of drugs. His main area of research encompasses both novel as well as conventional oral drug delivery systems. He is the recipient of G.B. Nair Memorial IDMA Gold Medal for standing first in BPharm examinations, Professor Ishwar Chandra Memorial Gold Medal for earning the first position in MPharm examinations, UGC Junior Research Fellowship during PG and CSIR Research Fellowship during PhD, and various others national and state level during schooling. Talking about the academics, Professor Ranjit Singh has a vast academic and industrial experience, starting from working as a Formulation and Development Officer at Sun Pharma Advanced Research Center, Baroda, lecturer BN College of Pharmacy, Udaipur, and Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, HNV, Bhopal University, Srinagar, to moving towards Professor Vice Chancellor and officiated as Vice Chancellor of Shobhit University, Meerut, and many more. Sir holds several awards under his name, some of which are Senior Scientist Award 2009 from All India Medical Society, IDMA Best Paper Award in 2012 in the area of pharmaceutics, and Al Amin College of Pharmacy Award 2013 in the area of pharmacognosy under IGPER Awards. He is also the recipient of Best Educationalist Award from International Institute of Education and Management in 2014, Rashtriya Vishwa Gold Medal Award, Best Citizens Award in 2015, Eminent Teachers Award in 2015, as well as IPR Appreciation Award 2015 conferred by UCER BFUHS. Sir has about 60 presentations, invited lectures, books, and chapters under his credit, and he has guided about 38 MPharm dissertations and 16 research scholars for PhD. And there are many more to talk about you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Over to you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Professor Ranjit Singh, sir, for illuminating our minds with your words. So, please.
रंजीत सर अनम्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज.
Thank you very much, Vicky, and for such encouraging introduction and giving me a chance to be a part of this August gathering. Presiding guest, Ms. Agrawal, ED Ma'am of SAGE Group, guest of honor, Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu, Principal Sir who is not there, the Vice Principal, the members of organizing team, other office bearers of SAGE Group, and the most important, the participants, the respectable, adorable participants. A very good morning to all of you. I am very much thankful to the organizers for giving me this honor, this credibility to be a part of this conference in the inaugural function as chief guest. Thank you very much. The conference, as earlier speakers told you many things, I will not repeat anything of that. It is on transforming challenges into opportunities post-COVID-19 era. We all know that this pandemic, it has disrupted our daily lives, almost everything. We all agree to that, and for last 3-4 months, what is happening, and you never know how long it will go up. But despite all, we have to pick up and move on. That is the requirement, and that should be the spirit. It may be tough for many because it has resulted in many negative aspects. Here we are talking about positive aspects, but let me mention some negative aspects. If as an employee, if I see, then there are job losses, there are pay cuts, there are furloughs which are declared by many organizations just to tide over this crisis. And there are certain new normals, and the most important is work from home, and it is again being liked by many. Some are saying that it gives rise to such routines which are not defined or fixed. Some say that it is empowering, it is enriching, it is something like learning. So everybody has different views for different aspects which are caused by this COVID-19. The The conference very rightly is aimed at how we can convert the challenges into opportunities. And for the last 3 months, I think we have seen many things which we were not thinking of earlier. And as an academician, I will say that the big change was online classes, online exams, and all that. Now, COVID-19 is still there, and how it will behave and till when it will be there, we don't know right now. But I think whole semester, which we are seeing that the ensuing semester, it will be disturbed by this. It is associated with many negative aspects. It has affected economy. Disease is there, obviously, causing some deaths. People have lost their jobs, their early earnings, their livelihoods, so leading to hunger. There is a kind of huge stress there, psych, fear, uncertainty, job loss. There are certain sectors which are overloaded, like healthcare sector. They are overloaded, or others who are keeping law and order agencies. They are overloaded right now. Stock markets are being affected. So as a pharmacy professional, obviously I will limit myself to the pharmacy profession, and pharmacy profession is a very broad profession. I belong to academia, I think, and many of the attendees, they belong to academia, but industry is there, hospital pharmacy, community pharmacy is there, and then obviously regulatory part is there. We all know about SWOT analysis, SWOT, we have all heard about it, and there we analyze strengths, weaknesses, and that we see all threats and we see all opportunities. And same thing is there. There is always a brighter side of everything, and we should look into the brighter side. We should be optimistic. We can see very much that this particular pandemic has given extra business to certain, certain enterprises. Like we are all on Zoom. The Zoom is one of them, or other mediums which are there for virtual meetings. They are getting more business. Companies like who are involved in e-business, like Amazon, they are getting more and more business. They are going to employ more persons. And if I see the positive aspect of this pandemic, then you will find that it has given us more time, because there are so many activities which came to a standstill. You are at your home, you are limited to a specific space, but then you are getting time to meet your nears and dears, your family, and to have a different type of connect with others. So we are getting more time, which is most valuable and sparse thing. All activities cancelled, and this time is being utilized for other activities, obviously, except healthcare workers and law-keeping agencies, they are overwhelmed. Then it is a time to reflect and reconsider. Our routine is changed. There are great opportunities to rethink about our habits, about our routine, and we have to bring out the changes that is required. Then has given rise to speed and innovation. You see, there are organizations which work on very rigid rules and regulations. Now, this whole pandemic has given to a flexible kind of working, speedy decisions, and we are working beyond rules. And when we work